So I'm Tumelo Ramugondo. I look after credit card for Standard Bank South Africa. I was probably more of a tech guy back in my days. And I remember in my varsity days, the thinking was pretty much if you have to find the biggest tech companies in the world, it's probably banking or telco. And as a result, I mean, that's sort of where my thinking was, but ended up choosing banking over telco at the time. And I've been in banking ever since. But I just think that technology plays such a huge role in banking in terms of delivery of services and to our customers. Therefore, why not be in a place where you can actually innovate and do some fun things? So, I mean, my kids are still quite young, 7 and 8. So I guess nothing hectic at this point in time. But the key thing for me, I think, right now is just to try and get them to understand the value of money and what money actually means. So when it comes to whether in terms of making sure that you save for your own things that you actually want, making sure that when it comes to expensive items, they must always realize they don't have enough money to afford them. So after they've done all their chores and you give them money and they put them in the piggy bank, when it's time to buy something, for me, it's quite important that they still realize, oh, I actually do need to do more saving before I can achieve what I want. So for me, I would say the biggest lesson for now is really just understanding what is the value of money for them. And I guess the big lessons would probably come as and when they grow up. So the worst financial mistake I've ever made was I've lent some money to family without necessarily doing the due diligence to ensure that they are able to pay back. Unfortunately, it was a large sum of money that I lent, and unfortunately, that money still hasn't come back. So as a result, I guess there's been quite a number of lessons for me personally that I would apply today. I mean, it's important that you always ensure that if you are to give someone money, you are comfortable that they will be able to bring it back as and when